Lisa Mosbey here. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to change that darn image. People ask me this all the time. How do I change that darn image on my Nowsite dashboard? I don't like how it looks. And so I want to show you really quick. I have one on my screen that is incorrect. So let me go find it. Here it is right now. I have a blank image. Some of you may have a Nowsite image, but this was a blank image. And so how do we change that image? This is what it's supposed to look like, but it doesn't. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to preview that page. I want it to look like the pages that I'm creating. So what I do is I create a preview of it, and then I use my snippet tool. Your computer should have some sort of a snipping tool, or there's a tool called Snagit. So I'm going to use a snipping tool here. I can click New, and it's going to let me come in here and grab a quick image of that. So I'm just going to highlight it and grab the image. And I want to save it. So save it to your computer because we're going to upload that image. Pictures, and we'll just throw it in. I don't know if I have a Nowsite one or not. There it is, Nowsite. And I actually see that I have one in there already. So we'll call it AI Lead Gen Orange 2. So it'll save that. And then I can go back into my website here. And in the website, on the main page where all of your website features are under Website Builder, if you scroll down here, it's important when you're setting up a website to make sure that you have all of this filled in. Under business name, it's called, my business name for this site is called Easy Digital Tools. Here are the website settings, what this is doing. It's promoting AI-driven lead generation. But under here, social share image, that's what shows up when other people are seeing it. That's what'll show up in Facebook, LinkedIn, those places. So I can grab the one that I already did earlier, which is this one, show me how, or I could upload by using the select button here. I can use that select button and go grab the one that I saved to my computer and bring it in. So when I click on that, I'm going to go to pictures, pictures, scroll down to Nowsite where I saved it. And I know it was AI something or another. So there's the old one that I had already uploaded. Here's the new one. I will open it up in my images. It will be saved here in my images, so I can use it on other websites. I can use it later in this website. I could use it to actually create a social post with if I wanted to. So I highlighted it. The teal box went around it. I hit Edit Image. Here, I can actually adjust this. We're a little bit limited on that space for your public image. So I won't be able to get AI powered. I won't be able to get the ED on there. So I'm going to take what I can, and it'll just be centered with the top piece of it. It'll be a little bit cut off, but I'm okay with that. The other option would be I could grab this little bar and make it smaller and just grab the top, but you can mess with it. You know, if you grab it larger when you snag it, or use a smaller image, downsize the size of your screen when you grab it, you'll be able to get all of that in there. So you can play around with how you grab this image, but then I can add it. And so what it did is, you'll notice here, change the icon. It now has that as the image for this site. If I don't like that one, I can go back into my images and say, wait a minute, maybe the other one works a little bit better. So I will grab that one. And again, the teal box is around it, and I hit the edit image in the lower right-hand corner. This one actually grabbed the whole box. The whole thing fits in there. So I'm going to add that one as my image to display this back in my back office, and it's also used as my social image. Right below change image in the black box on the left, you'll see favicon. Favicon is the little icon that shows up next to your address bar, next to your website's name up in the address bar. So if you want to have a favicon, like if you use a business logo, if you have one, you could do it. Some people will just use their picture, their face, their image of their face. There's, most of the time it's just a logo, but you could grab any kind of a picture if you want it to be that logo instead of, most of the time it'll be a Nowsite logo next to it if you don't manually change it. So I'm actually scrolling through to see if I can find, I have a business logo in here somewhere. Haven't used it in a while, so it's down my list a little bit, but I'm going to grab that business logo. Here it is, Lisa Mosbey. I will throw that one in there, and that will be my favicon. So that is what will show up next to making money online as the title of this website. Actually, the title of this website is AI powered lead generation. I should change that and call it making money online. But anyway, so that's how you change your image, your social share image, and your favicon. I hope that was helpful. Go ahead and try it for your websites and let me know if you need more help.